In our last lab report, we have been researching ferns. We have grown and seen how the fern reproduces and grows. So what is a fern? It is a seedless, non-flowering vascular plant, and it uses alteration of generations, meaning it doesn't need any water in order to transport the sperm. And then it has the little brown dots everywhere, which is the spores, and it just grows all throughout the fern everywhere, which are these. And then it is just a unit of asexual reproduction that may be adapted for dispersal of survival.
The alternation of generations is the process in which a fern or seedless vascular plants reproduce. Since vascular plants do not have water in transporting the sperm, this is the process they use in transporting sperm. So, completely defining alteration in generations, it is the process of going from a haploid gametophyte to a diploid sporophyte. So first, the haploid gametophyte goes through and is the antheridium and the archegonium. And the antheridium or antheridia is a haploid structure that produces male gametes, and this is pretty much the female reproductive organ in sperms that produces female gametes. So next, through this, they go through fertilization, and zygotes are produced with 2 copies of a gene. They then go to an embryo and are transferred to sporophytes, which are the diploid generation.
So sporophytes are the 2 copies of a gene that produces spores, which each have 1 copy of the diploid generation's genes. It then goes through spore mother cells, which then go through meiosis, which is the cell division that produces gametes with half as many chromosomes, which leads us to spores.
Fern reproduction. Ferns reproduce when a sperm fertilizes an egg on a different gametophyte where both plants arose from separate sporophytes. This is also called intergametophytic crossing. This process is similar to when pollen from one lily lands onto another lily a few feet away. This also helps avoid self-fertilization.